Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today is Sunday the 16th of May 2021, and we will be looking at the crypto market and also making some predictions about what we think might be happening next week with some of the popular stocks that we are following on this channel. So I start first with my Ethereum mining activity. You can see that my monthly has dropped to basically a third of what it used to be just a few days ago. Now it's showing the monthly to be $327, daily $10, and weekly $75. And just to be sure, I still have my 2 workers online and my hash rate is still at 100, which is accurate. But I'll go back and check, make sure that it's not just one of my units that's actually online. You know, at times you have to verify and make sure that your hash rate is being reported accurately. All right, let's take a look at SafeMoon. SafeMoon's Twitter feed is now at 735,000 followers and growing rapidly. The price of SafeMoon, it hasn't improved much. A matter of fact, it's down 8.47% for the day. Next, we look at Ethereum. You can see that the price of Ethereum has dropped drastically over the past 4 or 5 days. Today it continued with its downward slide, and you can see it's down 9.34%. Bitcoin has, I shouldn't say crash, but it has really come down. It's now $45,000 for a Bitcoin, down 6.28%. Ethereum is down 9.34%. XRP is down 7.56%. Stellar Lumens is down 0.82%, and Cardano is down 8.85%. So there's been a general drop in the whole cryptocurrency space. Share Network, they were at 1600 yesterday, and today they're down 13.76%, trading at $1,383 for a share. All right, predictions for our stocks. You can see Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment was climbing slowly and continued with its push even after hours. I think tomorrow is gonna start really strong, and then it might trade sideways and then possibly drop as the day goes on. But remember, that could also change because the country is opening and people are heading out there on planning on vacations and going out, you know. So Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment could definitely benefit from people going out more. Next, we look at Dolphin Entertainment. They are in the same space as HOFV, and their ticker symbol is DLPN. So you can see that yesterday, on Friday, they were up 7.73%, and after hours, they continued with their rise. I also think this is going to be strong on Monday, and it will continue in that same pattern or either trade sideways for the rest of the week. Again, be very careful and be comfortable losing the assets that you put in the stock market, because it is what it is. Remember, I always try to make this disclaimer before I forget. This is not investment advice, so take this with a huge dollop of salt. It's just one guy talking about stocks and the market, very little of which I comprehend. I go just with my gut feeling. So the next one we're gonna look at is Ebank International Holdings Inc., and they have the ticker symbol EBON. EBON was up 14.11% on Friday, and I think they will have a nice recovery. If you look at the 5-day chart, you see that they had that steady decline, that steady dip over the course of most of last week, and then they recovered somewhat towards the end of the week. So I think they will continue with their recovery as we go into this new week. Next, we're gonna look at AMC. AMC was on a winning streak. As you can see, I believe this was since the beginning of the pandemic in 2020, about March, April. So you can see that they've had a very strong week. The whole of last week was very good for AMC, and that's the ticker symbol for AMC Entertainment. They also have newer apps. I believe that people can use those apps to watch movies on their phone, and from what I understand, that is cheaper actually than watching the same movies on HBO or other online streaming services. So AMC is not sitting on its laurels. They're actually working to find different ways that people could stay at home or socially distance yet remain entertained. So their stock price is $12.98, and that's up 1.64% on Friday. Next, we look at Gevo. GEVO is the ticker symbol, and they're based out of Englewood, Colorado, and they went up 23.95% on Friday, trading at $5.90. And they have come up with an alternative, a biofuel that can be used in jet engines. And as you remember, as you might know, the predominant way of travel here in the United States is people catching jet planes or riding with Greyhound buses. But I think the fuel being developed by GEVO is mostly for use in aviation. So that would encompass business travel, people traveling on net jets and other chartered aircraft, and also commercial jetliners. So this is one stock to keep a close eye on. As the country reopens, I think the price of GEVO is going to go up. The next stock we're looking at is Dash. DASH, which is the ticker symbol for DoorDash Inc. Of course, this is a food delivery service, and they have a different number of subsidiaries, including Caviar, Chobotics Inc., Scotty Labs Inc., and these are all different companies under the umbrella of DoorDash that they use to deliver services and goods to people. So even though the country is reopening, you still have to bear in mind that we picked up some habits which we are not going to drop so soon. So I think door delivery of food will be the next new thing. Instead of people ordering food and then driving out to the restaurant to do pickup, now they will have the food brought to them. So I think DoorDash is gonna stay with us, and it might be a good stock to invest in. The next thing we're gonna look at is Shiba Inu, one of the DeFi tokens that we have in the cryptocurrency space. It's down today 24.43%. So this has been on a steady decline, and I don't know if it's ever going to recover. It's one of those imitation meme coins that piggybacked on the success of Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and yeah, so it's an alternative to Dogecoin, and it hit the limelight when it went up, I think, like 100% in a day, and since then it has just been on a slow and steady decline. Well, that's all what I had for you guys this morning. Think carefully about what you're gonna do next week, and I can just only wish you the very best of luck going into the tomorrow's session on Monday, the 17th of May 2021. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.